I want you to appreciate the beauty of this kit, guys. Beautiful double stitch. This is the Lexus. Beautiful, beautiful interior. Welcome, and we have the car of the day. Let's take a look. Hello guys, this is the 2009 Lexus IS250, and this particular kit, guys, it can go into the Lexus from 2009 to 2013, either the 250 or the 350 IS. And guys, we are doing the alabaster, which is the closest color to match that interior in this factory kit. For this particular vehicle, guys, it has cooling and heating, so we have our special foam, reticular foam, that allows the breathing of the seat so the air can go through the perforations because it has cooling and heating. And guys, like always, we have the factory reinforcements for the airbags, so you always safe. This is a must and it's included in every single kit. And guys, I know it looks like crap right now, but wait until we finish this installation so you can see how beautiful this interior is gonna look. And let's take a look at the toy. This is the Lexus, guys. It has seen better days for sure. And well, yeah, it expires a long time ago, so for sure it needs a new refreshment. That's what is here, so we can enhance this interior and make it look beautiful again. And even the heaters are already exposed, the wires are there. Look at the console, guys. Don't allow your cars to go that far. Fix them. We have the solution for that at LeatherTeck.com by Upholstery Technology. Guys, we have it for virtually any vehicle, any color combination, stitch, patterns, you name it, exotic, suede, anything that you can think of, we have you covered. And the rear is just all stained and, you know, normal wear and tear for so many years in service. Difficult to keep things in order when cars become, you know, family cars, the kids spill stuff, things like that. So it needs some love for sure. So that's what we want to be doing. And again, guys, go to LeatherTeck.com by Upholstery Technology so you can order your beautiful leather interior, so you can replace something like that that is already been seen better days. And remember, any color combination, door panels, and some options, we do have those options for you guys. So look forward for the video for the completion so you can see how beautiful this interior is gonna look in this 2009 Lexus IS250. Okay guys, I don't want to lose the opportunity to show you how beautiful this interior is looking, because if the sun sets, then you're not gonna be able to appreciate how beautiful it's looking. That's the rear, guys. You still need the armrest, the headrest. That's the armrest right there, which was not easy to make. And that's how it's looking, guys. I just have to work in the front seats, but most likely the light will be out by that time, so I'm gonna do the video on the shop. But I want you to appreciate the beauty of this kit, guys. Beautiful double stitch. This is the Lexus. Beautiful, beautiful interior. So I'm gonna be continuing with the front part, guys. And there you have it. If you have any question, please put it in the comments. You want to see the armrest, guys, how it looks? Because we took some time making this piece. That's the armrest right there. That's how you open it up. That's the cup holder right there. Beautiful trimming. And let's finish it with the fronts so it looks complete. Thank you guys. And there you have it guys, this is the front seats. Unfortunately it's dark, I cannot demonstrate in the vehicle, but I want you to take a look how beautiful the seats are now that are fully trimmed. Beautiful, beautiful work guys. And again, you can get this at LeatherTeck.com by Upholstery Technology. Over 60 different colors, combination, piping, stitching, quilting, diamonds, you name it, we have them all. Make an inquiry guys. If you have questions, please put it in the comments. Like and subscribe the people on YouTube. And I'm so happy that I've been completed this installation, because this car sometimes takes a lot of labor. But there you have it guys, you can get your kit. That's the most important part for me. And my friends keep riding in style. LeatherTeck.com. Thank you guys, see you in your next project.